Oh, he's acting up. He's acting up. He don't want to come in on 4-pound test. That hurts his feelings. Come on, buddy. Oh. Quite ready to get up. There you go. That's a pretty good fish. That's what we came for right there. Look at this, bass and crappie. And they're not small. Before I do anything else with these fish, I want to show you something. Because a lot of y'all have been asking me about my Bubba electric fillet knife. And today, we're putting it to the real test. Guys, I don't want to lie to you. I am an affiliate of Bubba knives. And man, I wouldn't put my name on something that I didn't truly believe in. And I don't want to just tell you that I believe in it. I want to show you how good this thing works. So I've got some couple slab crappie and a few bass that I caught today. And man, we're going to get busy and clean some of these. So check this out. Man, let's start with this bass right here. Pretty good sized fish here. Look at there. Man, as you can tell, this thing does not bog down at all. It is a good knife. I'm talking about gets all the meat. Next, let's grab this crappie right here. Look at that. So will a Bubba knife make you a better fisherman? No, it won't. But I'll tell you one thing it will do. It'll make it where you don't dread as bad coming home and having to clean them. And you don't necessarily have to wait till you get back to the house. I mean, you know, if you're camping or something, man, these two batteries that you got right here, I have cleaned a mess of fish. And I've even cleaned fish as small as brim with this. And it does a really good job. Let's get another one. Come right down here, down this pectoral fin. Right here's where you usually lose meat. And man, I mean, that sucker is staying tight. Look at that right there. You don't lose any meat. Look at there. Man, I mean, it glides right down that backbone. As you can see, there's absolutely none lost there. Man, let's get these things ready for the skillet. That's how it's supposed to look right there. That was one of the crappies. So if you're thinking about getting a knife this year, man, Bubba knife, I'd say that's the one that you need to get. It works great for me. And hey, listen, they don't charge you extra to purchase one from my site, and it really helps me out. So if you're gonna get one anyway, man, y'all drop down below, click the link, go to it, check it out, see what they have to say about it, and purchase you one. Thank you for watching.